Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about Lambda function with and without, how it behaves. So here 3 points, 3 differences I am covered here. So go through it. So first of all, with Lambda function, it supports single line statement that returns some value with Lambda function. Without Lambda function means that is the not anonymous function, that is called a def function. Okay, supports any number of lines inside a function block. It's a single line of inside the function block. It returns a some value. It is the any number of lines inside a function block. Good for performing sort operations, data manipulations. Good for any cases that require multiple lines of code. The without lambda function is helps for where there is requirement lots of lines of code. Then you have to follow the without lambda function. If there is minimum lines of code, you have to follow anonymous function or lambda expression. Using lambda function can sometimes reduce the readability of a code. Okay, so it will very improve the readability. You can easily read the code because the code is very minimalist, very minimized. 1 2 statements, the entire code is going to be completed, and the lambda function is very effective. Without lambda function is very without lambda function, if there is a lots of statements, lots of lines of code is going to be written, then there is a without lambda function is very helpful. Okay, function description, easy readability increases without lambda functions. Okay, both have advantages, disadvantages, anonymous function and naming functions. Okay, the functions having a name. So keep remember all these points. Very important for the interview purposes. Why we are using lambda function or without lambda function? What happens? Means that is without using lambda, in which cases we are using. Okay. So if you have any doubt, go to the comment box and type there, and also join my WhatsApp community group, and please visit my website LingarajTechHub. Thank you.